Welcome everyone, quick tutorial to add USB access on your iPhone. So if I select my iPhone in the Finder or iTunes app, it's fully loading up for me. If it's not loading up for you and it says trust, then what you're going to do is you're going to get your iPhone here and you just want to go to the home screen, okay? So unlock your iPhone, and when you do that, you're going to get a message asking to trust the connection. So the message, if you're wondering, looks like this, okay? It's going to say trust this computer. You have the trust button and the don't trust button. Just tap on trust. It will ask for your passcode. That is the passcode you use to unlock your iPhone, and then the connection will be successful. If you are still having issues and you don't see this screen right here, then what I personally recommend is you unplug your iPhone from the computer, plug it back in. That will typically solve the issue. If that does not solve the issue, then you may need to restart your computer and restart your iPhone, then try again. And if you are still having issues, I would recommend, if you have a Windows computer, you re-download iTunes, and that's really all you can do. So that should solve the issue. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.